Nagbabalik po ang Adobo Nation na kanina nabanggit natin ang United Nations and their work of making the world a safer and better place. Pero dito sa San Francisco, Carmina, meron naman tayong mga kabarangay who in their own way help in achieving this goal.
Siyempre, proud tayo sa grupong ito. Soul Society is a non-profit group known for inspiring and educating the youth through creative arts like breakdancing, beatboxing, and poetry. This local group has gone global with a mentoring program they call The Bridge, and it has connected them with impoverished communities in the Philippines that need a helping hand. Marami yung mga komunidad na ganun.
There are, and there are many that these people have already touched. So here to tell us more about their work overseas are Soul Society's Executive Director, Ron Carino, and Program Director, Aaron Horner. Welcome to Adobo Nation, guys. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, so why don't you start off by telling us what is Soul Society and what is The Bridge?
Soul Society is a nonprofit organization that's based here in the Bay Area, and what we do is we empower the youth and young adults by helping them to be creative, by helping them to develop their leadership, and by getting them engaged in community service projects, both here and overseas as well.
Okay, and The Bridge is your version of society abroad.
Yes.
That's how you guys are bringing kind of your version of education and empowerment to other countries, no?
It's an element of Soul Society, again, where we get youth and young adults here to be engaged and to be able to help other kids overseas.
Okay.
So basically, Aaron, you're teaching all these kids to find their relevance in the world. Why do you think it's important for them to feel relevant and to make themselves relevant?
Excellent question. You know, one of the main problems in today's society is that we're taking the arts, we're taking the culture out of schools due to lack of funding or the economy. And by putting that back in, we're finding that children become more successful and more adept at their studies, which then helps them to be further contributors to society.
Okay, so it's a pay-it-forward kind of system.
That's exactly how it
Ngayong
works.
Aaron, mukhang hindi ka naman Pinoy.
Pero aking puso lang.
Ay, dako! So many mothers-in-law out there are looking at you right now saying, how come I can't have an anak like that? But why did you choose to work with the Philippines? Paano kayo nagkakilala?
Well, basically, we decided to go back to the Philippines first because we have a lot of family. We have a lot of our performers here locally are Filipino Americans, but we have brought in many different types of performers from different ethnic backgrounds. But we picked the Philippines because of our family.
Okay.
And when we went there, we saw the massive need, and we realized that we could do something just by getting small contributions from each person, be it their time, be it their resources, be it just their prayers, and being able to link that with those that need it back in the Philippines.
At pag sinabi mong my family, you mean not your adoptive family, but the family that you adopted when you married your wife, correct?
Yes,
Okay.
that's true.
Kasi baka akalain ng ating mga ka-nation that you were raised by one of us, which would be a good thing. But being married to one of them is also not so bad.
Actually, my family did raise him.
That is true. They fed
Okay.
me. They definitely fed me.
Okay.
Now, Ron, paano nyo pinipili yung mga communities? Like, what makes you choose a certain community over the other communities?
Well, when we first started the program, we started out in Manila because that's all we knew. And then as we started going towards the outskirts of Manila and into the some of the barrios and some of the provinces, we started seeing that there was a huge divide and that a lot of the barrios just weren't getting a lot of support from the government. And so we decided to focus our energies there.
So let's go back to the work naman that you do here, kasi it also has its own outreach equivalent, but this one seems a little bit more on the performing arts, no? So you're coming up with a new presentation, which is coming very soon to the Bay Area and right here in the Bay Area. How do you help kids here in the U.S.?
Well, we do a couple different programs. We have after-school programs where we teach things like breakdancing, poetry, beatboxing, leadership, and put all those things back in the school that have been taken out.
Okay.
So that's some of the things we do. And you talked a little bit about our show, Empower, that's coming up. That's November 6th and 7th at Chabot College right here in Hayward.
Right here in Hayward. And we're going to be seeing a little taste of that in just a little bit, no?
Lamang. Pero napakaganda talaga ng ginagawa ninyo because you're bridging so many disparities on so many levels, diba? Whether it's between the rich and the poor or the lack of education.
People who are creative and not so creative or haven't had the
Yes.
chance to be creative. I understand that your organization takes volunteers of all stripes and all abilities. Why don't you tell our Canation out there how to find you and a little bit more about the Empower event? How do they get tickets? How many people can come? And you know, what time is it? What time does it start and end?
Well, basically everybody can come. Everybody you know, all your family members can come out. But yeah, you can find information at our website. That's www.soulciety.org. SOULCIETY.org. Or you can look for us on Facebook at soulciety.org as well.
We will like Society on Facebook.
Please like.
We will like.
please.
I already like,
promise.
so it's good.
We will like.
Well, thank you very much for being here on Adobo Nation and for all your good work to help our kababayans. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Maraming salamat.
All right, well, before we go, a group of Society's Bridge Program mentors have prepared a special performance for Adobo Nation. So let's give it up for Ariane Padaong, Edward Pasalo, Ariel De Ocares, and Joe Chang. Take it away, guys.
It's not hard for love to fall for me if you open up your mind. No reason to feel insecure, baby, I'll rest assured. I'm not here to waste time. I'm not like the other guys who we gave them life, baby. It's a shame they don't know what they were missing. It's so much more to me than your beauty, girl. I want to explore your body right down to the bone, yeah. If you ever get lost, I'll search every store, girl, I'll bring you home. I'll go the distance, there's no place too far for me to go. I'll go the distance.